Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another MAT 170 concept session. My name is Nick, and I work at the ASU Tutoring Centers, and today we're going to be talking about half angles. Now, before we get started here, I just kind of want to cover an important half angle identity. So this is going to be what we actually use to determine the cosine of theta over 2 here. So first off, hopefully you already know this identity, but it's cosine squared theta equals 1 plus cosine, basically the double angle of cosine, all over 2. Now, this might look random, right, when talking about a half angle, but what we can actually do is if we translate this to be cosine theta of theta over 2, sorry, cosine squared theta over 2. What we can actually do is basically when we do that, that'll translate into 1 plus cosine of just regular theta over 2. Because if, think about like just whenever you would like plug in different things for a parameter, remember, so just like when we have this, so like we have f of x equals 2x. Essentially what we just did here is we just did f of x over 2. And if you plug in x over 2 everywhere where there's an x, the 2's cancel and you're left with just x. So that's all we did here. That's how we got rid of this 2 here. And if you notice, this theta over 2 is exactly what we match here. So really the last thing we need to do to match this cosine theta over 2 is just square root the whole thing. Right, so then that way the squares go away and we're left with cosine theta over 2 equals the square root of 1 plus cosine over 2, which just make sure we just do a plus or minus here, just like what we've done in the past. So anytime that you take a square root, you never know technically if that number is going to be positive or negative, so you have to account for both. There we go. So now that we have this kind of formula here, we can actually plug in and solve what our half angle is here for cosine. So if we have cosine theta over 2, and we equal that out to plus or minus our formula here. So we have 1 plus, and then we actually know cosine theta, right? That's 3/5, right? So we can go ahead and plug that in. Oops, sorry. I did not mean to do that. So this is just 1 plus 3/5, all divided by 2. And if we continue solving, we find that this 1 plus 3/5 will get us 8/5 over 2, which then equals out to plus or minus the square root of 4/5. Oh, no, not 4 over 2, 4/5. And then from here, you can further simplify if you'd like, but this is going to be your final answer here. So hopefully that was able to sum up half angles for you. If you have any other questions on this concept, go ahead and check out tutoring.asu.edu for more information on all of the free resources and tutoring centers available to you for free as an ASU student. We have tutoring centers located on all 4 major campuses, as well as an online tutoring center. So definitely make sure to check us out. If you enjoyed this concept video and you want to check out more just like it, go ahead and go onto that other link on your screen, and that'll direct you to a full list of all the concept sessions that we've done for MAT 170 and an array of other courses as well. But other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day and good luck in your course.